In today's video, we are going to discuss important polity and governance questions. This is very useful for all competitive exams. To get these important updates, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Today's first question. How many Congress Prime Minister did India have? 6. If the President of India wants to resign, he has to address the letter of resignation to the Vice President. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. Who was the 14th Prime Minister of India? Manmohan Singh. When was Alipore conspiracy case took place? 1908. Which majority is required to pass the money bill? Simple majority. How many department-related standing committees are there in Parliament? 24. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act was enacted in which year? 2005. Which body is responsible for registering political parties in India? Election Commission of India. What is the maximum strength of Council of Ministers in Lok Sabha? 15% of total strength of Lok Sabha. What is the meaning of the writ certiorari? To inform. Which Governor General has created the position of District Collector in India? Warren Hastings. Who shall introduce the public bill in the Parliament? Minister. How many subjects are in the Union list of 7th schedule? 100. Who heads the PMO? Principal Secretary. 5-year plans are borrowed from which country? USSR. Which pre-independence Indian Act has provided the structure of the Indian Constitution? Government of India Act 1935. In which case was the demarcation line drawn for validating amendments to the 9th schedule? Vaman Rao case. Minimum age prescribed for election as President of India is 35 years. As per the reports published by Government of India, what is the approximate percentage of people in rural India who holds a bank account? 35%. As per the recent agreement between India and one other country, the Indian rupee can be easily swapped with ruble. The tenure of the members of Lok Sabha is for how many years? 5. Article 41 of the Indian Constitution, right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases, deals with the directive principles of state policy. Under which article of the Indian Constitution, Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Shri cannot be used as titles? Article 1801. The number of parliamentary seats of West Bengal is 16. Which article of the Constitution deals with All India Services? Article 312. According to Indian Constitution, government has how many organs? 3. In Lok Sabha, the number of seats is 545. Oath of office is administered to the President of India by which person? Chief Justice of India. Which Indian document starts with the words, "We, the people of India"? Preamble to the Constitution. The authority to specify which caste shall be deemed to be scheduled caste rests with the Commissioner for Scheduled Castes and Tribes. The President of India can nominate how many members of the Rajya Sabha? 12. Who was independent India's first law minister? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which article of the Indian Constitution grants special autonomous status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Article 370. India making double taxation avoidance agreements with other countries for the promotion of bilateral trade. As per the figures released recently, the per capita income in India has increased by approximately 7.5%. What is the minimum age required to become a Sarpanch? 21 years. Who said the state exists because crime exists in society? Otherwise, there would be no need of a state. Herbert Spencer. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Who has the right to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Industry, impartiality, integrity is the logo of CBI. Who was the first Vice President of India? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha is Vice President. What is the total number of MLA constituencies in India? 4,120. Prevention of cruelty to animals is listed in the list given in the 7th schedule in the Constitution of India. Concurrent. Who was the first chairman of Rajya Sabha? Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The states and their territories are specified in the dash of the Constitution. First schedule. Which schedule deals with the allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha? Fourth schedule. Parliamentary elections in India were not held in 1997. Last question of the day. The Article 280 in the Indian Constitution deals with Finance Commission. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.